Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, This Curvi Yogi. I am Jakita, and today is day number 23 of our 30 days of yoga challenge. And today we are going to be focusing on Sun Salutations again. Now we've already done Sun Salutation A, Sun Salutation B, a Chair Sun Salutation, and today we're going to explore a Sun Salutation at the wall. So I would suggest that you find a space at the wall. You won't need much space, but just a space at the wall, and we'll go ahead and get started. Okay, so we're going to start facing the wall. And as we normally start with our 3 breaths, we're going to start with mountain pose at the wall. Go ahead and stand tall, roll your shoulders up and back, hands down by your side. Take a deep breath in and out. Another breath in and out. One more time, deep breath in and out. Coming back to our mountain pose, we're going to start with our half sun salutation. So starting at the wall, inhale your arms out and up. Exhale, bring your hands to the wall, walk them down, step your feet out. So think about bringing your body into an L shape. Inhale, lift the head and lift the chest. Exhale. And back to our L shape, our forward fold. Inhale, walk the hands up as you step forward, reach the arms up. Exhale, arms down by your side. That's our half sun salutation. Let's do that one more time. Inhale, arms out and up. Exhale, hands to your wall, walk them down, step your feet out, come to your L shape for your forward fold. Inhale, half forward fold, lift the head and lift the chest. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, step forward, walk the hands up, reach the arms up. Exhale, arms down by your side. Let's go through a full sun salutation. So standing back at the wall, inhale, arms up. Exhale, hands come down, walk them down the wall as you step back, coming to your L shape. Inhale, half forward fold, lift the head and lift the chest. Exhale, L shape. And then we're going to step the feet forward, bring the hands directly in front of you, just like we're in our plank. Press your hands into the wall, press your feet into the mat. So we're going to lower down to the mat, like we're lowering down to the mat. Stand on your tiptoes, bend your elbows in, and move towards the wall. This is like a chaturanga, or lowering down to the floor. And then come bring your feet down, reach your arms up, and reach them back into your back bend. So like we're coming into our cobra pose. And then bring the hands back to the wall. Walk them down, step the feet out, coming back to our L shape. This is also our down dog. And then let's pretend that we went to our forward fold, which is also our L shape. Inhale, half forward fold. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, walk the hands up, walk the feet in, reach the arms up. Exhale, arms down by your side. Let's do that one more time. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, hands on the wall, walk them down, step out, come into your L shape. Inhale, half. Lift the head and chest. Exhale, L shape. Step the feet forward, have your hands out straight in front of you, come into your plank. We're coming back through our chaturanga, or our lower down. So lift the toes, or lift the heels, not the toes, And then press into the wall, in towards the wall. You can even make your back bend here, or you can bring the feet down, reach the arms back for your back bend. And then coming back down to our L shape, our down dog. Take a breath. Back to our forward fold. Inhale, half forward fold, lift the head and lift the chest. Exhale, forward fold. And then we're stepping forward, walking the hands up, reaching them up towards the ceiling. Exhale, arms down by your side. One more round, this time adding in our warrior one. Almost forgot we're adding in our warrior one to complete our sun salutation A and B. So standing tall here. Inhale as you bring the arms out and up. Exhale, bring the hands to the wall, walk them down, walk the feet out, come into your L shape. Inhale, half forward fold, lift the head and chest. Exhale, L shape. Walk the feet in, have the arms straight out in front of you in your plank. Coming through a chaturanga, lift your heels, press into the wall, and either come into your back bend here by pressing away, or you can lower the heels and reach the arms back. Either is fine. Bringing your hands back to the wall, go ahead and walk them down, come into your L shape. Take a breath. So we're in our down dog now. So we're gonna step the right foot forward towards the wall. You can step the left foot back just a little bit. Keep a bend in this right knee. And you can have your arms straight out in front of you. So this can be your warrior one with your hands on the wall. If you choose to reach the arms up, you can. Just choosing what you would like to do. And if you want to add a little more to it, you can keep one hand on the wall, the right hand, and reach the left arm out. So you're coming into more of a warrior two stance here. Bring the hands to the wall. You can also revolve that warrior, reaching the right arm out. And then go ahead and step the right foot back. And then we're going to walk the feet back into a plank with our arms straight out in front of us. Let's go through our Vinyasa, lifting the heels, pressing towards the wall, and coming into your back bend, whichever one you like, pressing away, reaching the shoulders back, or lowering the heels and reaching the arms back. Your choice. And then bringing the hands to the wall, go ahead and walk them down, walk the feet out into your L shape. Coming back to your downward facing dog. From here, we're going to step the left foot forward this time and the right foot back. Keeping a bend in that left knee, the front knee. You can have the hands in front of you. This can be your warrior one, or you can choose to have the arms lifted up. If you want to add in a warrior two, place the hands on the wall. Left hand stays on the wall, right arm opens out. This is your warrior two. And you can also revolve it, bringing that right hand to the wall, reaching the left arm out. That's if it feels good. Always listen to your body. Coming back to the wall. And go ahead and step forward. Have your arms in front of you as we come back to our plank. One more Vinyasa. So lifting the heels, pressing towards the wall with the elbows in. You can come into your back bend here. And then hands walk down the wall, coming back to our L shape. So we move to our forward fold. Now inhale, half forward fold. Lift the head and lift the chest. Exhale, forward fold. And then stepping forward, walking the hands up, reaching the arms up. Exhale, arms down by your side. Thanks for joining me today for our wall Sun Salutation yoga practice. And I hope that you found this helpful for yourself or even possibly for someone else. And I will see you all tomorrow for day number 24 of our 30 Days of Yoga Challenge.